Hi everyone, and welcome to our Vintage Boardwalk Tips and Tricks series. Today we're going to be talking about vinyl. I just want to show you or share with you that we have a vinyl cutting diagram. The reason we decided to do this is we've got in our embellishment kit, it comes with 2 of our vinyl sheets. And this is what our vinyl sheet looks like. I don't know if you can see that right there. But we found that this might be really helpful for those of you making that with our embellishment kit. This is available as a PDF at the bottom of the video, so find that link and you can click on it and print out your very own sheet. So to start with, one of the tips I like to do is I like to turn my diagram the same direction that I'm going to cut my vinyl. And I would lay it on a rotating cutting mat purposely because I'm going to cut, if I did this first set, you can cut it at 3 inches. And then you would cut another 3 inches and another 3 inches, and then you simply rotate your mat and you can cross cut at the 4.5 inches, and you'll have your vinyl pieces all ready to go, and it's just perfect size, ready for you to use in your quilt when you're ready to start making that. For those of you that would like to make our throw, it is one of the extra projects in our Vintage Boardwalk book. You can see here's the VW bus and the VW bug, and they both have the vinyl on their windows. So this is the package that you would look for in your quilt shop. For those of you that would like to know, we do have several shops who have let us know that they are doing curbside pickup as well as delivery. For more information, please contact your quilt shop. Thank you. Bye-bye.